Wait, wait, kitty. Wait, kitty. Wait, kitty. So I put this little cap on my kitty's head, and it's been staying here for the last 10 minutes. Cat, hat, in French shashaboo, in Spanish el gato roji en the sombrero. Look at this cute little hat. Okay, look at her eyes. Aren't those beautiful? Little kitty. Look at that hat. Oh, those eyes look a little serious. You got Betty Davis eyes. I wonder how long this little cap is gonna stay on her head before she takes it off. Oh look, she's looking at it. Oh my gosh, she has this weird little hair on her nose. Can you see it?